How to rotate PDF page in Adobe Acrobat. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the perfect method. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Adobe. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Adobe Acrobat app. So let me open one sample PDF file. So okay, so I have this PDF file. I have only one page here. So guys, in order to rotate the page, we need to go in the option called organize page. Okay, you need to go in all tools and you can see this option which called organize pages, or if you don't find here, you can go to the view more. You definitely see this option in bottom. So let me select this option, then your page will be like this. Okay, in my case there is only one page, so it's showing only one page here. So just take over the cursor on this page. Okay, now here you can see the two option visible, which is rotate. So you can rotate by left or right. Okay, let me show you again. You have to simply rotate your page like this. After that, just come back, so your page will be rotate and it will be see final like this. Okay, so after that you can save your page. Go to the save as. You can save it as a new file in your device. Okay, so that is how you can rotate page in Adobe Acrobat. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.